In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do world slash in Jujutsu Shenanigans on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to properly pull off the world slash, which is basically a secret move that is attached to your kit, and you will be able to perform it as long as you are playing as the vessel. Now, you do need to be awakened, so as you can see on this bar under the text, King of Curses, you need to fill that up, and once it is filled, you go ahead and activate the awakened form. Now, to use the world cutting slash or simply world slash, you will have to press a series of keys in a specific order. So it's going to be 1, then 3 shortly after, and then you have to spam 2 and this little star icon. Now, I'm going to show you footage on screen that I recorded of it going off. Unfortunately, I cannot pull this off right here because I don't have the bar and the awakened formation, but all that you have to do, like I said, is you press 1, then shortly after 3, 2, and then the star icon. If you do that in quick succession, you will see the world cutting slash go off. And like I said, it needs to be in that very specific order. So once again, 1, then shortly after you press 3, and then spam 2, and then this little star icon. It is a little bit confusing, but this star icon replaces the usual last step on PC, which is pressing R. R is your special, so you basically have to do 1, 3, and then quickly 2 and special. If you do it properly, you should see some speech bubbles above your character like so, scale of the dragon, recoil, twin meteors, and it is going to go off. If you don't see it go off, it means that you probably messed up the timing, so you just have to keep trying, and eventually, as long as you do it in that specific order where you press 1, shortly after 3, and then quickly 2 and the star icon, you should see it go off. I hope I was able to help you on how to do world slash in Jujutsu Shenanigans mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.